it's your teacher Karen again, and I am very happy to be talking to you about your book, Nature Around Us. So if you are ready, come and join me. Today, kids, we are going to make a flower, and this is on page 7 of your book, Nature Around Us. So the materials that we are going to use are colored papers of different shapes. Okay, we have here, okay, a strip of green colored paper. You can also see here that we have here a colored paper with a triangular shape. Its shape is triangle. We also have here a diamond-shaped piece of colored paper. And we also have here a circle shape of colored paper. So you can use more shapes if you want, but these are the basic shapes that we are going to use for this activity. So what are we going to do? Using the different shapes of colored paper, we are going to make a flower. So this one will be the leaves. Okay, just put them together. Using the triangular shaped colored paper, you can now make the petals. Okay, here we go. Okay, just put them, stick them around the circle. Okay, for this activity, you have to use a glue to stick the shapes. Okay, use a glue to stick the shapes. Okay, there you go. So that is how you are going to make a flower using different shapes. Okay, we have here a diamond shape for the leaves. We have here a rectangular shape for the stem, and diamond shapes for the petals, and a circular shape for the thing that is in the center of the flower. You can also use circles to make the petals. Okay, like put the circles around. Okay, to form the petals. Okay, you can use either the circle or the triangle. So it is all up to you if what is your choice. So that is how you are going to make a flower using different shapes. I hope you enjoy the activity. Kids, I hope that you learned something from our discussions and our activities. I hope to be doing fun with you again next time. Bye-bye.